When you find yourself bored, there are plenty of fun and productive things you can do to pass the time and make the most of it. Here are some ideas. Before starting the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. 1. Read a book. Dive into a good novel or explore a topic you're interested in through non-fiction literature. 2. Watch movies or TV shows. Catch up on your favorite series or explore new movies in various genres. 3. Learn something new. Take up a new hobby, learn a musical instrument, study a new language, or explore a subject that interests you. 4. Exercise. Engage in physical activities like jogging, yoga, dancing, or any other workout that you enjoy. 5. Cook or bake. Try out new recipes or create something delicious in the kitchen. 6. Play games. Whether it's video games, board games, card games, or puzzles, games can be an enjoyable way to spend your time. 7. Explore nature. Take a walk in the park, go for a hike, or simply spend some time outdoors. 8. Engage in creative activities. Draw, paint, write, or do any other form of art or craft that interests you. 9. Listen to music or podcasts. Discover new music or listen to podcasts on topics you enjoy. 10. Organize and declutter. Tackle an area of your home that needs some tidying up or reorganization. 11. Volunteer or help others. Look for opportunities to volunteer in your community or assist someone in need. 12. Start a journal. Write about your thoughts, experiences, or anything you find interesting. 13. Meditate or practice mindfulness. Take time to relax, clear your mind, and focus on the present moment. 14. Connect with friends or family. Reach out to loved ones for a chat or plan a get-together. 15. Solve brain teasers or puzzles. Exercise your mind with crosswords, Sudoku, or other challenging puzzles. 16. Plan for the future. Set goals, make a to-do list, or think about your aspirations. 17. Visit a museum or art gallery. Immerse yourself in culture and history. 18. Explore online courses. Enroll in online courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. 19. Gardening. Start a small garden or take care of indoor plants. 20. DIY projects. Get creative with DIY projects for home improvement or crafting. Remember, boredom can sometimes be a signal that you need a break or change in your routine. Don't hesitate to try new things and explore activities that bring you joy and fulfillment.